This is the title screen of our game, Blockers. The unit chosen was BooleanOperators. As you can see, there are 3 buttons, one for the story, how to play, and play functions. We're going to start with the story. So press and hold the numeric keys between 1 and 5 to see the story slides. This is just backstory on our game. Once upon a time, there was a great kingdom of blocks. All the blocks were at peace and were content. But on one unfortunate day, the hands came to town. And wherever the hands went, destruction followed. Now, Block Kingdom is in pieces, and it's up to you to find the blockers and rebuild. Okay, so going back to the how to play, answer all the questions correctly to move on, otherwise it'll be game over, or try again. So for level 1, use the arrow keys to move, avoid touching the hands and save your family. Level 2, avoid the spikes as well as the acid at the bottom of the screen. The controls are the same as level 1. And for level 3, tap the spacebar to shoot, collect at least 25 blocks under 20 seconds, and use the collected blocks to destroy the queen hand before the timer ends. So we're now going to play. This is level 1 as described in the how to play. We're trying to get to the other end of the hands. After 4 points, a portal will open. And that's what's now shown on screen. As you can see, if you bump into a hand, a question will pop up. So this one's going to be true, and therefore you get to continue. If I chose the false option, it would have been game over for me. So we're going to head into the portal, which will take us to game 2. So this is game 2. It's a lot like the previous game, except we now have gravity. That's me refilling the energy bar on the right side. I'm avoiding these spikes. If you hit a spike, a question will pop up, much like hitting the hands before. And here I am trying to attempt that. Did I make it? I did. So if I hit this last friend, a portal will open, at which point this game will show up once I go through. I didn't show that last bit. But for this, we're going to tap the spacebar to shoot and collect all those bricks, which we'll later use on the boss. So you're not going to want to miss any of these, as we need almost all of them to defeat the boss, which is why this says not to press the spacebar, because we don't want to lose any. Once the boss does show up, however, which is stats, go for it. Shoot to your heart's content. And after that point, you did it. You have saved our blockers and rebuilt our community again. And the game is over. You can replay.